Welcome to Jamaica. This is for those who were asking me for a room tour. My honey just took a shower, so the body mirror is foggy. I don't want to be in the video, so let's get creative with how we're going to capture this. This is the jacuzzi tub. There's a retractable curtain that you can then see through the bedroom. This is the rain shower with the handheld toilet. Overall, it's a very comfortable bathroom. Spacious, clean. Excuse all my amenities. I tend to overpack. The closet has a safe. It did have extra pillows, but we put them on the bed. Coffee maker. Rum and vodka. In order to get your rum and vodka refilled, you have to dial 0. Tip well and get chips and champagne from the pool bar. This is the bed. Honestly, it looks prettier when you undo the side curtains. And I would recommend that you download the Bahia Principe app and reach out to the hotel that way if there's anything you'd like aromatherapy there, or ice, or room service. The room service menu isn't that extensive, but it does the job. It's consistent with the rest of the Bahia Principe resorts, which is basically like a more deluxe continental breakfast and like a decent lunch menu. The staff here does a really, really good job of keeping everybody entertained. Staff's down there playing volleyball right now with guests, and they're lovely. Pool bar is always so much fun. They start the music fairly early. For some people, it's a problem. For us, it's a lot of fun. Beach snack bar. Main buffet is down that way. Everything looks far away, and it kind of is, but really it's a good chance for you to see the entire resort. That is all. Hope you come to Jamaica.